How to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. Just like you normally do when you want to browse the internet, click on the Google Chrome icon on your desktop or search for it in your computer's applications and open it up. At the top of the Chrome window, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type IDM extension without quotes and press enter. This tells Chrome to find the extension we're looking for. After you hit enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the first link that seems to be from the official IDM website. It should say something like Internet Download Manager, Chrome Web Store or similar. When you're on the IDM website, scroll down until you see a button or a link. Once you've found the download link, click on it. Click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up window will appear asking if you want to add the IDM extension to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. This tells Chrome that you want to install the extension. Chrome will now install the extension for you. It should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a message confirming that the IDM extension has been added to Chrome. Sometimes, Chrome might ask you to restart it for the changes to take effect. If it does, just close Chrome and open it again. That's it. You've now successfully added the IDM extension to your Google Chrome browser. You can now enjoy enhanced downloading capabilities and improved download management with IDM. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.